Hello. It's working. Okay. Hello. Greetings and salutations, sister. This is Daphne coming to you live from Bellingham, Washington with the latest review of LadyBoss Labs. Yes! So excited. Okay. I know that my husband's going to be home in 15 minutes. We're going to lock this up. All right. So I had been waiting for these to arrive. I was one of the fortunate ones that got to pre-order at LadyBoss Live. And I've been using them for about a week now. So I'll try to break this down super quick. First of all, if you've ever wondered what a unicorn hug tastes like, friends, it's in a bag now. You too can drink your very own unicorn hugs. Yes, this is delicious. It is let them eat cake, vanilla cake flavored. Yeah, it's pretty spot on to a vanilla cake, but better. I don't know if you've ever used a certain brand of protein powders by Isopure. That's what I used prior to this. And I only mention it because to me, texture-wise, this is a really good example. This is super smooth, man. You can mix it with water. You can mix it with milks. You can mix it with, look at it. Look at it. Oh, it's home. Oh, it's so good. What was I talking about? Super delicious. I have been using this for breakfast, and for the first time ever, I'm actually eating some protein thing for breakfast because it's so early for me. It is super hard. So this has been a lifesaver in that department. I just mix it with water in the shaker. Done. Like there's no clumping. It is so delicious. And take note. So at night, come like 10 o'clock or whatever, when the little gnomes come out that say, chocolate, I need you to eat all the candy. Find the fruit snacks and Pop-Tarts. You can silence that demon because you can have your second unicorn hug beverage. And I mix it with super cold water and then I sip it like a martini. And it totally takes care of all of that whole late night thing. Totally satisfied. This is so much more delicious than any Pop-Tart in the dark is ever. Okay, get this. If there's only one thing you can get from LadyBoss Labs, get this. You can make pancakes. You can put it in, oh, it's so versatile. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Quick, husband's coming home. Next. Recover. Okay, so she made them watermelon. Oh, this is gonna bother me. It needs to be flat and beautiful. Okay. When we get the fuel, which I'm super stoked about, she said that it's going to be the same flavor so we can mix them together, which makes a whole lot of sense. But I was a hurting unit because I ran out of my BCAAs like a week before this arrived, and I refused to buy anymore because I knew that this was coming. And so I was starting with a raw slate of pain. And this one too, man, what? So soft. It's like cashmere for your face. So good. I drank this and I noticed an effect immediately. Like the next day, my soreness was manageable. And then the next day after drinking it repeatedly, I'm good. Okay. This is really delicious. For me, it was super sweet. It was a little bit too sweet for me. So this is my workaround. I can do two things. One, I can put 1 scoop in my 64-ounce jug, shake it and drink it. Perfection. Great flavor. I'm good with it. The LadyBoss shakers, you know, the originals, 1 scoop in water was a bit much for me. It was a little too much for me. So I would just do half a scoop, fill it up, drink it. The remaining half, fill it up, drink it. Totally fine. Got it down. I think it's good. I'm good. I'm not buying Extend. I'm buying Recover. And that's what's happening. Okay, delicious. Moving on. Okay. Y'all, where's my camera? This says burn. And let me tell you something about burn. I work in an office and I'm surrounded by things that are not good choices. And especially in the afternoon, come 2 o'clock, I get incredibly peckish and I start looking for the Tootsie Rolls. I just get snacky, even though I'm not hungry and I have my snacks. I don't know. I'm on a timer still that I'm trying to overcome. Since I started this, no lie, I'm not even lying, dude. It's not happening. Like, I don't even have a desire. It's not stunting my appetite. It's not like hydroxy cut where you're like tweaking out and you can't even eat food and you're, for me, who has a high tolerance to everything, I don't notice any side effects of this. The only side effect is that I'm not eating everything around me like a Hoover beast. And I will throwing money at you, Kaelin, because this is awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. You don't feel cracked out. You're not twitching. You're not itching. You're just continuing your day without having like the, it's just kind of like, push up, push up. It's good. I highly recommend it. I have been way more balanced with this. My snacking issues and my like craving things, it's not even an issue. Non-issue. Get it. Okay. Final one. Rest. This was my thing that I was the most excited about when she was launching these, because I have had so many insomnia issues. I used to be medicated with all kinds of crazy things because I just don't sleep. My brain's nonstop, right? This is not like a tranquilizer dart. You're not going to take this, pass out, and not hear your baby cry. Like, this is totally not the case at all. It more or less just like, you just chill out a little bit. I take 2 because, again, my tolerances are a little different. So I take 2 about an hour before I anticipate going to bed. I've been going to sleep really well. I've been staying asleep. I have had to wake up a few times because of my child, and I've been able to wake up, attend to his needs, and then go back to bed. Before, I would wake up, tend to his needs, and I'd be up until the next evening because I can't go back to sleep. This removed that. It's really, really, really awesome. And even my Fitbit has sent me an email complimenting me on how I'm finally getting more than 3 hours of sleep a night. I'm still getting up at 4 o'clock every morning to go train. This has in no way made me drowsy or anything. I'm not going to say that I wake up and I'm like, wow, 4 a.m. because it's 4 a.m. You let me know when that pill launches and I'm all over that. But I wake up and I'm ready to go. I'm not like, I just get up and I go. It's good. In conclusion, I am very much impressed with these products. I think that Kaelin did a really awesome job, and I think she nailed down for me some of the things that I struggle with throughout the day that I wasn't even fully aware of until I started taking these. My snacking, my munchy peckish nature that seems to come and go throughout the day has been a non-issue since I started these. As far as muscle recovery and soreness, the Recover, bang on, man. It's working awesome. The protein powder, the unicorn hugs, powdered unicorn hugs. Oh my God. Please, you need to get this because it's totally worth it. It is absolutely worth it. Worth it. I have no intention of filling up my pantry with a bunch of weird stuff anymore. This is clean. This is concise. There's instructions on everything. You can mix them together. It's very versatile and very well crafted together. I highly recommend it. Kaelin, we've been waiting for this and you delivered hard. So I love you, Mama Boss. I hope all of your lady bosses get up in this business because it's worth it. It's delicious. Do it now. I love y'all. See you on the page. Bye.